Struggling to get more views on YouTube? Your thumbnail could be the culprit. Today, I'll show you how to design a viral-worthy YouTube thumbnail in just minutes using Canva and AI. Let's turn clicks into success. First, open the Canva app, click on Custom Size, and set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then, click on Create New Design. Now, you'll have a blank canvas to start with. To create stunning images, we'll use an amazing AI tool called Imagine.art. Click on Photogen and wait for it to load. Then, click on Text to Image. And select a 4:5 ratio. Now, search for Pixar-themed Spider-Man images and hit Generate. In the free version, you get 50 credits per day, and each image generation takes 5 credits. We got 4 images, but I'm not really loving these, so let's generate a new set. This one looks great. I'll go with this one. Just click Download. Next, let's search for Pixar-themed Superman images. This one looks awesome. I'll download this one, and maybe one more for variety. We'll follow the same process for Iron Man as well. Now head back to Canva. Click on Uploads and add the images we just downloaded. Drag them onto the canvas, then select the Superman image and use the background remover tool to extract the main subject. Resize it as needed. Repeat the same process for the other images. Now, let's add our background. This is the one we'll use. You can check its name if you want the same. To make the images pop, I like to tweak a few settings. Increase brightness, contrast, vibrance, and saturation slightly. Adjust sharpness and highlights just a bit, but don't overdo it. We'll follow the same process. Now, our design looks clean and eye-catching. Next, we'll add some elements. Go to recently used elements, click the three dots on any element to see its name, and select the ones that fit our design. For text, we'll use Canva's Text Maker app. Go to Apps, then select Text Maker. Choose the Ninja text style. Type in our text. And slightly increase the letter spacing. Click on Customize Colors to adjust the fill color, outline, and 3D depth. Then, click on Add to Design. Since high quality requires payment, we'll keep the quality at medium and click Add to Design. Resize the text. Position it backward. And finally, add a gradient effect to enhance its look. Looks cool, right? And that's it. A stunning, scroll-stopping thumbnail in just a few minutes. You can use the same technique to create other eye-catching thumbnails like these. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Graphic Pulse for more Canva hacks. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.